Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be responding to these particular questions. Okay, this particular question which says how much can I possibly make per day with 500 USD? Okay, how much would I possibly make per day with 500 USDT through spot trading? So without a waste of time, we're going to look at that. So all you just need to do is to stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end, so that we can actually find out by the end of this video how we can trade with this 500 USDT and how much can we make when the trade gets to our limit predictions. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do want to subscribe, like the videos, share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. So right now I'm going to make a choice. I'll make a choice with this G7 against USDT. Okay, you can see the G7 against USDT over there. So currently the price of this G7 is 0.303324, right here. Okay, right here. So this is the price we're going to purchase. So let's say we click on buy, and at this rate we buy 500 USD. So if we purchase 500 USD, what we're going to be given is this. Okay, that is over millions. Is what we're going to be given. Okay, so if we're given that volume, we're going to write it down: 1504211.7. Okay, let's say we're given this volume for 500 USD. Okay, we're going to hold the volume. So let's go to the candlesticks, and what we are expecting is for this particular trade to move from this particular place. Okay, from this particular place to 0055. All right, now watch carefully. If this trade now reach this particular volume that we're talking about, okay, if it reaches 5500, and we now come here to paste what we got, we're going to make over 300 USDT. Okay, so if you minus the trading capital from this, okay, if you minus the trading capital from this, you get 327.3. So this is simply how you can make 300 USD with a capital of 500. So in this, you can turn 500 USDT to 827, right? But one thing you must know is that each time you trade with patience. Be very, very patient, because most of the times you might get to be exhausted. You might run out of patience, and you say, okay, let me just be done with this trade and rest. And the moment you are done with that trade and you just go out of it, boom, you see the trade will just pump. So each time you dive into a trade, and in your mind you have a particular something you are looking for. That is, you are looking for a particular something. Okay, you are looking for a particular price before you sell the coin. So just be patient. Okay, be very patient and be optimistic, because it's going to reach there definitely. All right. So this is simply how you can make 327 USDT as profit.